Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Proforma invoice in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online does not usually have a separate option called Proforma Invoice. Instead, you can use an estimate, which works like a quote or proforma document. It lets you show the customer the expected products, services, pricing, and terms before creating the final invoice. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then select Estimate. This opens the estimate form. At the top, choose the customer. Next, enter the products or services you are offering. Add the description, quantity, rate, and amount. If needed, include any terms, notes, or extra details the customer should see. Review the estimate carefully. Check the customer name, products or services, pricing, totals, and any message on the form. Once everything looks correct, click Review and Send if you want to send it to the customer, or click Save and Close if you want to save it and send it later. This estimate can now act as your Proforma invoice.
When the customer approves it and you are ready to turn it into a final invoice, go to the left side menu and click All Apps. Then select Customer Hub. Find the customer connected to the estimate. Open the customer's profile. Look for the estimate you created and open it. From there, choose the option to convert the estimate into an invoice. QuickBooks will bring the estimate details into a new invoice. Review the invoice and make any final changes if needed. Once everything looks correct, save or send the invoice. And that's how to create a Proforma invoice in QuickBooks Online in 2026 using an estimate.